Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Telly Masala.
Thank you very much and a very good evening to you. Namaskar and Assalamu alaikum to all of you present here. मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा आप लोगों का, दो तीन बातें करूँगा बस और फिर उसके बाद I think we'll open to the press to ask us about TED Talks India नई सोच. First of all, why TED Talks? And बचपन में मुझे मालूम नहीं कैसे ये हुआ, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि मेरे माँ बाप ने या टीचर्स ने या दोस्तों ने या जो मोहल्ले वाले हैं उन सब लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा कुछ सिखाया मुझे कि मुझे जानने की इच्छा बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हर चीज़ में. सो लाइक क्यूरियस जॉर्ज और द क्यूरियस कैट, आई वांट टू नो एवरीथिंग. मुझे बड़ी तकलीफ़ होती है अगर कोई चीज़ या कोई शब्द मुझे बोला जाए और मुझे उसका मायने ना आता हो या उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना हो. मोर ऑफन देन नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम एन एक्टर, व्हेन पीपल से समथिंग दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड और नो अबाउट, I just act out that I've understood by behaving like, yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. Lot of words that Uday speaks just before we did, like eclectic, I still don't understand. But back there, I kept on going, this is a very eclectic show. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So I've been doing that all my life. But the only good habit I have is as soon as I find out something I don't know, even before the times of Google, when we used to look for words in the dictionary, or if we were well-to-do enough, had an encyclopedia at home, I would rush home and try to understand, ask my father, ask my mother, ask my teachers. And the only thing else that I could ask was TED Talks. And that time TED Talks wasn't available like it is now on the digital medium, and now inshallah on television very, very soon. But I was a big fan of TED Talks. और वो इसलिए नहीं कि हमेशा वो जवाब मुझे मिलता था जो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था सवाल, बट उन लोगों की बातें जो मर्द और औरत वहाँ पे आके बातें करते थे, उनसे कुछ ना कुछ मुझे समझने को, सीखने को मिलता था. For years I followed TED Talks, and especially when the World Wide Web came around, even in the days with that old modem. We've forgotten those days. Now we just click on something, it happens. The world has moved on so much. But the only thing that hasn't changed for me is that I still look forward to hearing a TED Talk, whichever's happening anywhere in the world. When they started a franchise all around the world, TED Talks X, TEDx, I started following that. And first of all, before I go on to say anything, I want to genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, thank this wonderful gentleman, Chris Anderson, and this lovely lady, Juliet, for allowing me to be a part of TED Talks recently when they called me over to Vancouver. It is perhaps, if I may say, the most eclectic, intellectual, wonderful gathering that I've ever been in the world, and perhaps the greatest achievement of my whole career and actually my whole 52 years of life. So thank you so much, Chris, and thank you, Juliet, for calling me there. I was extremely nervous. I didn't know how to speak there, being an actor, professional actor for 30 years. But to go and speak in front of some of the best minds, and not the best minds because they have a collection of the greatest of scientists, innovators, inventors, no. The best minds because they have the simplest idea, the smallest idea, and they're willing to share it with the world because I truly believe the world changes by the smallest of ideas. I hear a lot of people who talk about world domination and taking over and doing this and changing the face. No, I think all changes that take place in the world, in life, anywhere in the universe, I think, is because of a small idea. And I think the bigness of TED Talks lies in the fact that it gives a huge platform to the smallest of ideas. So, for me to be on this platform as a host, as an anchor, I don't even know what we'll call it that once the show comes on air. I want to thank the other gentleman who came on stage before me, that is Mr. Uday Shankar. So thank you so much, sir, kahan pe aap, for allowing me to be standing here. And thank you for taking this one big step. In the times when we are trying to take everything onto the digital world, why, pray, are we trying to bring stuff back on television? Is that a step backward? I don't think so. द मेन एसेंस ऑफ दैट इज़ द लैंग्वेज पार्ट ऑफ इट. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, जो उदय साहब ने भी कहा, कि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं पर हमारी अपनी भाषा, अब हमारी भाषा थोड़ी मिक्स हो चुकी है, मतलब हिंदुस्तानी सी हो गई है, इंग्लिश भी है उसमें, हिंदी भी है, स्पोकन जो भाषा है वो इजी हो गई है. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर हमारी भाषा के अंदर इंटेलेक्चुअलिज्म जो है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, मुझे कभी कभी लगता है समझ भी नहीं आता है, क्योंकि इतने भारी भरकम वर्ड होते हैं. एक एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल को ये स्टेप लेने के लिए, सॉरी Chris and Juliet, I'm just saying good things about you when I'm speaking in Hindi. I'm still praising you. Okay? So मैं अगर प्रेज नहीं भी कर रहा हूँ तो बीच में मैं बोलता रहूँगा, जूलियट, क्रिस, एक बार तालियां बजा दो. See, I didn't say anything good about you, just made them clap. That's so. Like I was saying, the fact an entertainment channel like Star, they do some wonderful journal entertainment programs, and they have all kind of series. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not saying one of the only ones. Many years ago, I remember Uday Saab met me, and he started a program called Satyamev Jayate. I think that was the step in the right direction. You take issues, you take things that are happening in our country and present it to the country, men and women, so they understand and perhaps come up with solutions for the same. और इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि स्टार पे टेड टॉक्स इंडिया नई सोच का आना बहुत अहम बात है. वो इसलिए कि वो हमारी भाषा में होगी. वो एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म होगा जहाँ पे हमारे देशवासी, हमारे हिंदुस्तानी लोग, मर्द और औरतें और जवान लोग, a country which perhaps is the youngest, actually is the youngest country in the world, gives you an opportunity, a stage, a platform, giving an opportunity to our youngsters to come and share ideas, small ideas, which will change not only our country, but hopefully the rest of the world too, for the better. और आखिरी बात मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं इसमें क्या कर रहा हूँ और मैं इसमें क्यों हूँ. मैं इसलिए हूँ because I don't think I could have gotten an opportunity. I've been working for 30 years as an actor, a movie star. I sing, I dance, I fall, I fight, I romance, I emote, I do everything. But there's very seldom I'm able to nudify myself for who I am and come in front of people on a platform and say, this is who I actually am. This is who I am as a father, as a husband, as a friend, as just a normal guy who came from Delhi 30 years ago to make a living in Mumbai and has done rather well for himself. But who am I? I think TED Talks India, Nai Soch, gives me that platform just to be me. And unashamedly so, happily so, eclectically so, intellectually so, smartly so, happily so, and in every which way possible, perhaps one of the most satisfying, if I may call it, jobs that I've done in my whole career. So thank you, Uday. Thank you, Star. Thank you, everyone in this country, to give me this opportunity. One last thing, I have started feeling lately, since I've turned 50, that it has become much easier in this world now to hate, to be blatantly aggressive, to put your thought out there because I think so. And it's very nice. Maybe it'll bring about a great change in the world. Maybe picking up cudgels, walking down the roads, getting angry with each other, having spats, abusing. Maybe that's the way, the directness of it all is going to change the world. But I truly believe that in this rush, in this horde, इस भागम दौड़ में, नफरत करने में, गुस्सा करने में, हम लोग प्यार को भूल गए हैं. And I genuinely would like to claim today that I am not just the best lover in the world as I've shown myself in the films, I am love itself. I truly believe in the power of love. And love is nurtured by ideas, small simple ideas, warmth of ideas, goodness of ideas, kindness of ideas, just believing in a simple thing that you want to believe in. And I think TED Talks India, TED Talks itself for years, has just been doing that. It has been spreading ideas, simple ideas to the rest of the world. As a matter of fact, unwittingly, unknowingly, this is a platform which will somehow spread love when it gives opportunities to people to come and discuss things that they always believe in, feel for, but have never thought it's good enough to be spread to the world or shared with the world. So I thank you all for being here. When the show comes out, I hope you all like it, because Star does stand for entertainment too. We are not taking that away from the show. It's a difficult mix. बहुत मुश्किल है कि एंटरटेनमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म भी बना के रखें, उसको इंटेलेक्चुअल भी रखें, उसको इंस्पायरिंग भी रखें, उसको खुशहाल भी रखें, उसको अच्छा भी रखें। तो हमारी बहुत मेहनत गई है इसके अंदर, हमने बहुत कोशिश की है और हमें ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी कोशिश या क्रिस की कोशिश या उदय साहब की कोशिश या स्टार टीम की कोशिश की वजह से नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज ये थॉट अच्छा है, आप लोगों को ये सुनना और जानना अच्छा लगेगा, शायद इसलिए ये एंटरटेनिंग भी होगा। So I hope for the best for the program. I thank you for your time. I'm sorry, I think I've spoken longer than I should. But once again, God bless you all for being here. Once again, thank you, Chris, for making me a part of this. Thank you, Uday, for making me a part of this and paying me so much money for the IPL franchise too. That helps. Some more new shoes and some new cooler clothes. I mean, I have a better car than Uday now, so that's... And thank you, Juliet. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, everybody. Some of the men and women who have worked hard for this in the production part of it, who are backstage right now. Thank you, Star Plus. Thank you, Star. And thank you, all of you, for being here. I hope you all have a good evening and a good life and take away some good ideas. And I will take one moment now to call upon the two men who are actually responsible for this. Me, as usual, will take the credit. When the show comes out, everybody will say, क्या यार शाहरुख ने क्या काम किया, कमाल कर दिया यार, मजा आ गया, क्या बात है यार, सिर्फ शाहरुख कर सकता है ना. He's beautiful, he's handsome, he's intellectual, he's so sexy. So all the credit I will take away. But the two men and the people behind who have actually made this happen, I'd like to call them back on stage. So the biggest round of applause for Chris and Uday Saab. Thank you very much.
Welcome, everyone. Before we open the floor for the Q&A, I would like to ask Juliet a question. Juliet, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, what has been your experience of putting this show together?
Well, it's been the best. I've made over 200 hours of television in my Choti Si Zindagi. And this has been the best experience in my entire life. You can imagine, as somebody from England living in New York, making television, working in Hindi was a challenge. But the team at Fremantle and the team, well, Gaurav and Manisha and everybody at Star Plus have made it the best experience of my working life. And I'm so proud of the speakers that we have on the program and of the entertainment value of the program. And when you look at the audience, they are so enwrapped on the shows. If there's a talk that's very meaningful, sometimes the audience are in tears, other times they're laughing. It felt like such a deep connection between the people standing in the middle of the red circle, speaking, giving a TED talk for the very first time, and the audience really so immersed. And of course, the big treat was working with Shah Rukh. Of course it was. It was amazing. And he is not only intellectual and brilliant, he asked the best questions of our speakers. Of course, we prepared him a few questions, but he never used them. He went completely from his own brain. And he's a very clever man, and we're very blessed to have him as our host.
Thank you so much, and we look forward to it. Thank you so much. And as Shah Rukh Khan always brilliantly does it, India also welcomes you the similar way with open arms. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, now the floor is open for Q&A. Request you all to please identify yourself and the publication that you belong to before you ask the question. The floor is now open.
Hi, Gaurav, Sana from Indian Express here.
Hi.
Tell us what is the format of the show and the audience that you're looking forward for TED Talks India.
Okay, thank you for the question, Sana. I will leave you with some intrigue. You know what TED Talks are like. So you heard in depth Chris's vision for TED. And that was our starting point. When I met with Chris, when I read his book, he talks about spreading ideas and the power of ideas. And that's how essentially civilization started, around a campfire, telling stories. So we want to capture that. We hope to capture that. Hopefully, as Shah Rukh Saab was saying, you will find something new in the kind of mix that we are trying to create. That yes, there should be ideas, there should be fun, and we definitely at Star Plus believe that entertainment can be interesting and intelligent.
And what is the time slot that you're looking forward for?
Wait to hear more from us. We'll tell you.
हाय शाहरुख हाय शाहरुख एक छोटा सा आइडिया कुछ भी बदल सकता है जैसा कि आपने भी कहा तो कभी ऐसा कोई आइडिया आपके दिमाग में आया जो आपने किसी के सामने पुटअप किया हो और वो तुरंत रिजेक्ट हो गया हो पर बाद में उस पर आपने काम किया और वो सक्सेसफुल हुआ हो?
हेलो हेलो हाँ, ये इंटरनेट का आइडिया मेरा ही था। मैं सच बता रहा हूँ। मैं आप लोग नहीं मानोगे इस बात को यार, आप लोग हंस रहे हो यार। अरे she just asked me, is there an idea that you had and which you presented to people and they rejected it and now it's done well? So I explained to her the internet was my idea.
How?
And genuinely बता रहा हूँ, मगर छोटे छोटे आइडियाज़ ऐसे रिजेक्ट तो नहीं हुए, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स many a times मुझको ऐसा लगा कि मैंने खुल के लोगों को बताया नहीं. You know, many a times I've had some ideas. I'm sure all of us have had this on the dais here and everyone there amidst you. We've always get some good idea, and then we are kind of shy. Sometimes we just keep it to ourselves that people may not like it or not enjoy it or it's not good enough. And then you realize after some years that whatever ideas you had, good, bad, ugly, small, little, black, white, red, green, they all have a place in the sun. All you need to do is express it. And I think that is what TED Talks, Nayi Soch, and TED Talks has been doing for years. And I think that's the encouragement we want to do. But there have been many a times that I've had ideas. A lot of times I've given the idea, it's been accepted and failed miserably. Many times I've had an idea not shared and seen it elsewhere and felt really, really disturbed and stupid. And yes, sometimes I have given an idea that's got accepted and a lot of other people have accepted too in my line of work.
और एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, इस शो के कितने एपिसोड्स रहेंगे?
मुझसे बताया गया है मुझको कि जो भी टेक्निकल सवाल होगा वो मैं गौरव की तरह पॉइंट करूंगा, तो गौरव विल टेल यू.
क्या करो?
तो कुछ कुछ होता है, हमने कुछ कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया है और हम बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं.
हाय खान साहब, आपके स्ट्रीट देख सकें. खान साहब, आलोक दिस साइड. होस्ट करना आपके लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है. आपने अवार्ड शोज़ होस्ट किए हैं, बहुत सारे टीवी शोज़ भी होस्ट किए हैं. जब टेड की बात आई तो आपके जहन में क्या चला और आपको क्या लगा कि भारतीय सिस्टम के हिसाब से आप किस तरीके से इसे होस्ट करने वाले हैं?
एक्चुअली सबसे जो कम काम है ऐसे शोज़ में वो होस्ट का होता है, और शायद इसलिए ही सबसे ज़्यादा अहम काम भी हो जाता है. मैं मूवी स्टार हूँ, लाइक यू सेड. मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स होस्ट किए हैं, द डांसिंग शोज़. आई हैव डन आई थिंक ऑल माई शोज़ विद स्टार बिफोर दिस, whether it's Panchvi Pass, whether it's even KBC for that matter. I need to bring in loads of entertainment, which is a part of my profession, onto the stage so people don't get disappointed because I don't do the things that I'm supposed to do. But I think TED Talks is, I won't say difficult, but extremely positively, creatively challenging. Like I said, कि मुझको अपने आप को पेश करना है. मेरी जो अपनी जिज्ञासा है, मेरा जो अपना दिल में है कि मैं क्या चीज़ को कैसे समझूं. Like Juliet said, when I'm talking to the people, they would give me questions, but listening to their talk, I would like to ask them something else, which perhaps you and I and everybody watching it at home on television when it gets transmitted actually want to ask. So just to be on your toes, actually this is a show which has kept me more alive. Each show used to take some time to shoot, say a couple of hours, but for those 2 hours, not once would I relent or take recourse to coming and dancing instead. I was here, I was listening, and I wanted to participate in the experiences of their life. And I think hopefully that will come through when I'm hosting it. So I'm not going to be pompous and say, oh, I've hosted X, Y, Z. I just hope I'm able to enhance the ideas, the thoughts, the talks that people have there on this show and become part of it. I think that's the new thing for me, and creatively challenging and personally very satisfying.
खान साहब, खबर ये भी है कि आप टेड बुक में भी लिखने वाले हैं. टेड की जो किताब है उसके लिए आपको लिखने की शुरुआत तो आपने कर दी है. कुछ थॉट्स हैं किस तरीके से?
No, I haven't. I think Juliet and Chris have been more than gracious in every which way as far as TED Talks is concerned. And yes, it's a very proud moment for me when they requested me to do this or asked me if I could do it. But I haven't started working on it yet. I'm going to work on it. Even for my speech, which I gave at TED Talks, Chris and Juliet were very hands-on, helping me all over the emails again and again and telling me what is right, what is wrong, how I should say it. Even on stage, I joked about it, but sincerely so. They were very, very helpful and extremely encouraging. So hopefully when I get down to writing, I'll, more than my time, I have to take their time. And as always, just take the credit afterwards.
खान साहब विदेश के फॉर्मेट से कितना अलग होने वाला है क्योंकि अभी हमने संगीत भी सुना देखा तो थोड़ा अगर जिक्र करें आप
This is the first time TED Talks is going to be on television anywhere in the world. ये कहीं कभी भी नहीं आया है. तो obviously कोई given format नहीं है. There is no format that is existing on television of TED Talks. You should all, I would request everyone and implore everyone to please, if you haven't seen TED Talks, please do go on the net, go to tedtalks.com, watch it, and you'll understand. It's about talking and sharing ideas with people. And of course, for television, Star being so innovative, Gaurav's team being so innovative, some new thoughts have come, but absolutely retaining the authentic quality of TED Talks and the intellect and the goodness of it, so that it doesn't waver from what TED Talks has created itself and when Uday has taken it onto the television. So there is no taking away from the program, retain the same qualities and somehow add some new thing to it, which will be very subtle and I think very interesting how they've done it.
Hi, Ankur from Huffington Post here. My question is for Chris. Chris, traditionally Indian television is not particularly known for having super intelligent content. Do you think this show could probably shift that image? And if you think so, what actually made you explore India as a market for this particular show?
There are more than 1 billion minds in India and continuing to grow fast. That, as Nanda Nilekani said, is the world's most amazing asset. And every time I've been to India, in my time here, I've just been stunned at how much hunger there is for knowledge, for education at one level, for, how can I know more and what can I do with that knowledge? So this is not TED coming to India and saying, hey, let's bring some ideas and see what happens here. It's actually the opposite of that. It's saying, wow, what an opportunity there is here. There is so many brilliant people here. If we could unlock their thinking, it's not only about sharing it in India, it's carrying these ideas to the rest of the world. Some of the talks that I've seen, I cannot wait to take to a broader global platform. So I really can't state strongly enough how big a deal this is for TED. This is by far the biggest partnership we've ever done with another media partner. We've never done a show like this. TED used to be once a year, 800 people in California. To have a chance to reach literally millions of people in what soon will be the world's most populous country, wow, that is the most exciting thing. We couldn't be more pumped about it.
Just to add to that, and Uday, I would also like your sort of perspective on it. What kind of a say do you have on the guests that come on the show? Because internationally, you learn everything about astrophysics to the refugee crisis, the video that TED does. So how much will it deviate from, the standard fare that we're used to seeing? Because we hear that Karan Johar and Javed Akhtar, mostly Bollywood people are the guests so far. So will we see other people from different spheres of life as well?
There's a huge variety of speakers. See, people sometimes think about ideas the wrong way. Ideas are everything from the incredible invention, the light bulb moment, right through to just a simple human insight about how to live your life better. TED is interested in all of these ideas, and you'll see the full panoply on this program.
Shahrukh? Hi, I'm Nikita from Free Press Journal. I just had a question. This is a program or a platform where people talk about ideas. So from you, I want to know any word or any idea that really stuck in your mind or changed you as a person or your life.
Any idea that is stuck
Any
in my...
idea or a word, like you were hung over the word eclectic a while ago. So anything on that regards.
Top of the head, I can talk just related to my work, honestly. I have some ideas which I have stuck in my head for the last 4 or 5 years about the kind of film that I would like to produce next. But I've still not been able to do it.
Anything in the personal regards, as a person, as a personality, in you as self, anything somebody said to you that got a change in you?
One of the ideas is to start shooting shifts later, which I'm still trying to promote. Even though it's not legal, but I'm still coming late and making sure that one day they will change it, कि 2 बजे की shift रखूं. But yeah, at a personal level, there are a lot of ideas. Maybe one day we sit down and chat over a cup of coffee or tea and discuss them. No, I'm full of ideas. I'm actually...
Always open for it.
Yeah, the idea or the coffee?
Coffee.
Okay, we can do the ideas later, yeah.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hello,
Shahrukh.
Shahrukh.
Uday sir. Uday sir, I'm this side. So I'm Nazia from Exchange for Media. So there's so much talk about ideas. I need some idea about the budget of the show.
That's a very good idea.
Some idea only. I'm not asking for the exact numbers. If we can have it.
Well, thank you very much for not asking for the exact numbers. I'm not going to give you the inexact number, except for the fact that you know that at Star we have always believed that material resources should not dictate the quality of the creative product. We've gone and done this. It's a show that requires a lot of effort in terms of picking up the right kind of talent, picking up the right people to come on the show. Research is very, very deep, intensive. It's been in the making for a number of months. All of that has cost money. But when we are doing a show like this, really the money that we have spent on it becomes the least of the concerns.
Despite IBL bidding, you don't mind spending
Sorry?
more. Mr. Khan, if I can ask you one question. We are a website about brands and advertising. You've been a brand relevant for 30 years now. How do you keep yourself going, as in, do big brands come to you for advice about, how to be relevant for like 30 years? And inshallah for another 30 years.
No, that's very sweet of you to ask and assume that big brands come to me for advice. I think I'm fortunate enough because of the kind of work I've been related to. For example, the big brand of TED Talks and the big brand of Star giving me this opportunity. I think the only reason is I'm happy to try something new. I think if you want to be relevant as a brand, I really don't know about brand management and build-up, but I think the only relevance that I can tell you about building a brand is if you are ready to try new things, if you are ready to fail, if you are ready to venture into territories that you don't know anything about. And some of them will go wrong, some of them will go right, and some of them will actually help you build your brand because it'll make it more edgy, new, innovative. I think that's the only thing I can say, that I'm ready to try new stuff. Given the platform as an actor that I've created, I'd really like to try new stuff. I just go for it and hope for the best and leave it genuinely to the experts that they will guide me and take their word for it. And as an actor, go ahead and do my job.
Thank you, sir. Hi,
Hello, Shahrukh. Hello, Shahrukh. My name is Sandeep, and I'm from TeleChakra.com. Sandeep.
Sandeep. Hi, Sandeep.
Hi. You were very right when you said very few people are interested in having and becoming one with something psychological, intense, as TED Talks. So what is the audience that we are looking at?
Sorry?
You were very right when you said that people are not really looking forward to something very intellectual and psychological, especially when it goes beyond the level of understanding. So with TED Talks being something very intense, psychological and intellectual, what kind of audience are we looking at?
I think two things I'll say, Sandeep. One, I truly believe as a person who's part of media like you guys are and girls are, I think it's always, we underrate our audience always. I think we always start, this is an excuse. I think this is unreasonable to say people are not ready to accept. People are ready to accept if you put it out in the right spirit, anything that is good, intellectual, entertaining, scientific, any kind of knowledge, garbed in whichever method you want to. That's what I think every audience wants. I didn't mean to say, sorry if it was misunderstood, people are not ready. I meant that perhaps we have, as media people, as thinkers, as innovators, not done enough to bring forth to the audience what they are waiting for. So I think all kind of audience, especially the youngsters, will really like what we've tried to put up in TED Talks, India Nahi Soch. And the second part of it is, when we talk about कि intense है, psychological है, actually our lives are like that. Our lives are psychological.
Of course.
Our lives are intense. Our lives are entertaining. Our lives are knowledgeable, and sometimes the opposite. So there's always a craving in all our hearts. All we need is someone to give it to us. So hopefully we'll be able to manage that. And I think whatever little I understand of a show like this, because I've watched it for years, I think we will manage to fulfill the craving a lot of people for a program like this.
Just one more question to you. Given a choice, given a chance, would you host a program like Big Boss?
I've done a lot of hosting here. I mean, there's no question of being host of X or Y or Z. I think all programs that all movie stars are hosting, they have some interesting thing to say in it. I've done lots of them myself. But I've never been approached for a show of that nature yet. So I don't know. If I'm free, then I'm willing. And if the money is good. Having said that, for TED Talks, I've not charged like all the other anchors are charging for other shows. This one is from the heart.
I just want to chip in. One thing in what you said. You referred to TED as intellectual content. That's really not how we think of it. The mission of TED is to make ideas accessible. And I really think the way we think of it is that we are trying to go to what is the core human superpower, that what distinguishes us from other species on the planet is that we have this ability to picture the world in a different way than it is right now, and to share those pictures with each other by telling stories. A speaker can learn to make even difficult ideas vivid and exciting. That's the challenge, and that's the challenge we've set ourselves. So I don't think you should think of this as intellectual content. I think you should think of it as powerful content, mind content, inspiring content. That's the goal, certainly.
Thank you so much. I apologize to intervene, but that's all the time we have for the Q&A. Apologize, and thank you so much, everyone. One last question. Please.
Hello.
I'll do that.
Hello.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Hi, Shahrukh. Thank you. Sana from Indian Express here. When we are talking about ideas recently at the launch of Big Boss, when we asked Salman that it would be a tough competition between you, Akshay, and Salman being on TV at the same time, he said that it will be a tough competition for you guys. So what is your idea on his idea? That it will be a tough competition for you and Akshay?
To be really honest, Salman and Akshay, what they're doing, they're in a league of their own. I'm not even competing with them right now. So they're doing wonderfully well. And I think it's sweet of Salman to say what he said. And it's really wonderful. Having said that, I'm not going to say that this show is so different that we're not competing on the platform. In no way do I want to be derisive of entertainment that they will provide on television through the respective shows they're doing. But I think this really is kind of a different platform where it has a different sensibility. It's a new thing. You know, I'm not saying this is old, has been done, been there, done that. I think it's wonderful what they're doing. I know Salman's doing Big Boss, and Akshay is doing
The
a
Great
comic.
Indian Laughter Challenge.
Yeah. I think this show is a little different from them. Does not make it better or worse. It's just different. I think this will be running in a lane of its own, not competing with anyone. And I'll just like to make this clear because, when we talk about intellectualism and we talk about it being, it genuinely is an extremely hopeful and inspiring show. It'll have entertainment. It's not plugged in as trying to get an X amount of rating or 20 amount of audience. It genuinely is sharing a great idea. So it does have its own lane that it's running. It will be, hopefully we'll be able to compete with ourselves. And what TED Talks has created over the years, what Star has done, what Gaurav has done, what everybody in this media has done before, hopefully we'll be able to just compete with ourselves and do our best. I think in this case, this show, we're just trying to compete with ourselves to give our best to us first, and then hopefully it'll transform into and transcend to all of you.
Salman, one
Thank
last
you.
question. Salman, one last question this
I
side.
apologize to intervene.
One last question, Salman, this side. Sorry,
Shah
Rukh, this side.
I-
Literally, because you were talking about Salman.
I'm extremely sorry, but
What's your
due to
name?
time constraint.
I don't know, where are you speaking from?
Shah Rukh, this side.
कहाँ आप?
यहाँ,
On the
I'm
second
literally
row,
sorry
second row, right.
because, yeah, Lipika here. I'm literally sorry.
Don't worry, Deepika, it's all right.
Lipika.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Deepika. I'm extremely sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Okay, you said this one is from the heart. So do you mean to say that money does not keep you going anymore?
No, it never has. It never will. And I never ever in my life, I'm very well to do. I think God has been very kind to me in every aspect of my life, professionally, economically, financially, and more than that, emotionally. But never ever have I done anything for the love of money. Money, I'll say this to every youngsters who are hearing this. If you do something that you really desire and want to do, one of the things that will surely follow is money. Is the least important of the pegs that you should try to fill in when you're trying to do something as work, as a job, as love, as hobby. Money will always follow. Money is not going to be a problem at the end of it all. And I say it from the point of view of being a lower middle class boy who's had much more share of his financial benefits from the work I do than I ever imagined, dreamed of in the wildest of dreams. No, I have never done anything. And however people may believe I'm an entrepreneur, I do businesses, XYZ, I've never done anything for the liking or love of money. I do this because I love doing it. And this show, TED Talks India, Nai Soch on Star, is perhaps the closest thing to my heart. And I'm not saying it because Uday is a friend and Chris and Juliet have been nice and Gaurav's a friend. I say it because I genuinely believe it. And I hope how much I love this, everybody else also loves it. It's important for me that this gets loved by everyone. Without any competition, without trying to compare, without any comparison to what the great Star and Uday Saab have already achieved on television. No, it should just stand alone on its own and be loved for the love we are putting in, that's all.
मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ वक्त की अहमियत को मद्देनजर रखते हुए सवाल जवाब का सिलसिला ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा I apologize.
From the three of you, if you're taking my name right. अच्छा अभी करना ना मुझे ओ हाँ लास्ट सवाल है गुस्सा मत हो खफा मत हो 3 सवाल होंगे भाई मैं पैसे के लिए कुछ नहीं करता लेकिन तुझसे लूंगा
I'll do that.
Hello.
बोल दे सुनाई दे रहा मुझे
शाहरुख मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपने हमेशा बताया है कि फ़िल्म इंडस्ट्री में दिलीप कुमार और अमिताभ बच्चन को देख करके आप बहुत इंस्पायर रहे हैं लेकिन अपार्ट फ्रॉम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को अगर कोई ऐसे कौन से लोग रहे हैं जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे तो उनको देख के आप इंस्पायर हुए और आपको लगा कि मैं इनकी तरह बनना चाहूँ हमेशा रहते हैं
उनकी तरह नहीं मिल्खा सिंह जी कैशियस क्ले मोहम्मद अली मदर टेरेसा उनकी तरह बन तो मैं कभी नहीं सकता लेकिन इनकी कहानियाँ सुन के मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हूँ मैं अभी भी पढ़ता हूँ और कुछ नाम है शायद जो मैं भूल गया हूँ टॉप ऑफ द हेड बट ये 3-4 लोग मेरे दिमाग पीटी उषा जी जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था हमारी इंडियन हॉकी टीम उस ज़माने में भी और आज के ज़माने में भी मुझे बड़ी इंस्पायरिंग लगती है और सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि मैंने चक दे किया है जेन्युइनली मुझे वो नेशनल स्पोर्ट के अंदर मैं बहुत फॉलो करता था तो बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको मैं पढ़ के सुन के वैसा बनना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उनकी जो ज़िंदगियाँ हैं बड़ी सिंपल और छोटी सी थी काम उनके बड़े हो गए सो इसलिए मैं उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर होता हूँ थैंक यू सचिन Hello. For looking after us.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. I apologize.
Shahrukh, yeah.
अच्छा सवाल पूछेगा अच्छा सवाल
हाँ, अच्छा, yeah. Shahrukh, yeah, hi. We have been addicted to watching TED Talks always on the internet. What is the extra pressure on you for getting the audience to shift the focus to watching it on television?
I think more than the pressure, I think just that I think even though we have made it ourselves, I think the appreciation should be for the part that it's in Hindi. I think that itself is a very, very big boon here, because I do understand that, accessing something in a language which perhaps everybody is not so well versed with, and including the dialect and accent sometimes, we all have to still put on, at least I have to put on subtitles of English films till date. Sometimes you don't get the feeling because the language is new to you or you're not so well versed with it. I think bringing it on Hindi, the spoken Hindi, Urdu, Hindi, Hindustani, जैसे हम बात करते हैं, अंग्रेजी भी mixed है उसमें. I think that itself, more than it being challenging or wanting to be different, I think just the accessibility to a lot of people on television. And let me be honest, internet is fantastic. I think the digital world is growing. But television, especially Star and the Hindi-speaking programs on it, do reach a much larger audience in our country specifically. And to make that attempt on a general entertainment programming channel and put it out there, I think that's a very big step for a program like this. So I think it'll just have a lot of people. Our desire is, honestly, to get the people who haven't seen TED Talks, see it here, then go to tedtalks.com, hear those talks also. Some of our talks may be present there too. But what I'd want is, I'm going to request Chris and Juliet to even subtitle those in Hindi and try to dub them in Hindi. I could do some of the dubbing for them. It'll be very good for, I think, the people all across our country.
Thank you. Thank you. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, but please, due to time constraint, we'll have to call it a wrap. Thank you so much for everyone on the dais. Thank you so much. Friends from the press media, thank you so much for joining us here this evening for TED Talks India Nai Soch press conference. The bar and buffet is now open. Thank you.